Hello everybody. This is to finish up on my Traxxas TRX4 Chevy HighTrail Advanced Pro Scale lighting system. I added I got the new module in and it works for the regular lights, advanced lighting system. I just installed the rock lights and the roll bar. Started with the body, taking out the bracket and the foam pads. These little clips I'm going to throw down here on the bed. Later on, I forget to put them on. I have to take the brakes back off and put them on. I didn't record that. But yeah, you need to put these on after you put the roll bar in. So yeah, don't forget to do that. When I reamed out the holes in the bed, I didn't go very big where they said, I stayed a little small and just kind of done it until the roll bar fit snug. On the back tube they're a little rectangled a little bit. I just took an X-Acto knife and rectangled it out so they snug fit also. put these foam spacers up under where you took the old ones off. Before or after this, you could put them little clips on that I had forgotten, and then replace this little brace. Installing the rock lights at this point, and from the power module right there, just line it up from the plug and wrap them around, set them where they kind of go to the side, take off all the little clips or whatever there, and install each light, tighten them down, and wire tie all the wires out of the way, make sure there's no obstructions, and plug it up to, mine plugged up to number 7. I believe that's what it tells you to. Okay, after installing the rock lights, I do a little once over on the truck. Kind of take my camera and go over the body, showing where I wire tied what. Put them where you want. Get them out the way. Run nothing obstructing them. Also checking the focus of my new camera I just got. Lens. But again, showing kind of overall what I did, where I wire tied everything. I also show one little clip of the app going from low beam to high beam. I had some more clips. They weren't there when I put the SD card in. But overall, came out really nice. Shows some of the tail lights working, the blinkers, reverse lights, running lights, the roll bar lights, rock lights. Pretty nice. I like it. I'm satisfied with it. I appreciate you watching. Thank y'all. Y'all have a great day.